hexadecimal to octal conversion. So in this first, here also there are two steps. First, what you can do means, first you will write hexadecimal to binary equivalent. Later, you can divide how many bits here now? The next one is hexadecimal to octal conversion. So in this hexadecimal to octal conversion, first what you did means hexadecimal to binary conversion, then binary to octal conversion. Here there are two steps will be followed in this. First you will be convert hexadecimal to binary number. Hexadecimal to binary. So you will take this binary value and group 3 bits and convert it to octal. So these two steps you will follow. The first one is whatever the hexadecimal number is there, first you will be convert into its binary number. So then that binary number you can group into 3 bits and you can write the equivalent octal digit. Is it clear? That is the hexadecimal to octal conversion. What are those two steps? Tell me. So convert first hexadecimal number to its binary equivalent. Next, convert binary number to its octal equivalent. Yeah. So for example, we will take one problem. 9A1 anukondi. This is the octal. So here, what is the 9 number here? What is the 9 value?
1001, ma'am.
Yeah, 1001 and A
1010.
1010 for 1.
000.
Yeah, so this is the binary equivalent for this number. Then take this binary number and make them as 3 group, 3 bits as one group and write to its octal equivalent number. So this process will scan the values from right to left. Sorry, right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So this value is 4641. So this is the octal number. Must and should it will represent the base. Okay. So here it is the hexadecimal. Later you can be converted into binary. So for binary the radix is 2. So from this binary number you will be make the 3 bits as one group and write equivalent octal digit. So 4641 is the octal number. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next problem you can do. So this is the hexadecimal number. We will be converting into octal. B6.41.
1011
10
11
1011
1100
1100
0110
0110
point 0100
0100
0001, ma'am.
0001. Then what is the octal equivalent? You can divide these 3 bits. 1, 2, like this. Then what is the value?
5706
5706.202.
2,
not
0.
202.
202.
Yeah, very good. So by this way, we will convert hexadecimal to octal conversions. Okay. Then next one is octal to hexadecimal conversion. Octal to hexadecimal. So in this, you will first convert octal number to its binary equivalent. So first we will be convert octal to its binary equivalent. The second step is from that binary number, you can divide four, how many bits? Four bits.
4 bits.
Why? Because
4 bits.
octal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal is nothing but each and every number represented by 4 bits. So that binary number you can divide it, make the group into 4 bits and write its equivalent hexadecimal value. Okay, so for example, 5071. This is the octal hexadecimal number. A39 is the hexadecimal number. So first 5 is 101. Next 0 means 000. 7 means 111 and 1 means 001. So take this binary number. You can make it as 4 bits are one group. So it will scan from right to left. And here we will be divided into 4 bits and write its hexadecimal equivalent number. So for 1010A, 00113, 10019. Okay, so next number you can do that. So next we will are going to next concept. 615.25. Tell me what is the hexadecimal value? 615.25. That is the octal number. Convert into hexadecimal.
18D.54, ma'am.
1,
8
8.
D.54.
5.
Yeah, very good. 18D.54. Is it clear how to convert from hexadecimal to octal and octal to hexadecimal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the next we are going to discuss complements concept. The next one is complements concept. Complements. So the complement here means in digital computers. So why we are using complement concept? So in digital computers, to simplify the subtraction operation and for logical manipulations, complements are used. So in digital computers, why we are using complements means here by using complements to simplify the subtraction operation and for logical manipulation, complements are used. So there are two types of complements. There are two types of complements. The first one is radix complement. The first one is radix complement. The second one is diminished radix complement. So there are two types of complements. The first one is radix complement. The second one is diminished radix complement. So radix complement are also called as Or's complement. So radix complement are also called as Or's complement. Diminished radix complement is also called as R minus 1's complement. Okay, so there are how many types of complements? Why we are using complement means to simplify the subtraction operation and logical manipulations, complements are used. There are two types of complements, the radix complement and the diminished radix complement. Radix complement is nothing but also called as Or's complement. Diminished radix complement is nothing but R minus 1's complement. Okay, so here radix nothing but base, right? For example, you can take binary number system. For that, you have to find out the complements. So radix means 2's complement And r minus 1 complement is nothing but 1's
One
complement.
complement.
Yeah. For binary value, you can take base. So for radix complement is, we will call as 2's complement. But this diminished radix complement is nothing but 2 minus 1, that is 1's
One's
complement.
complement.
For example, you can take decimal number system. Decimal number system. So in decimal number system, the radix complement is nothing but 10's complement. Yeah. Whereas diminished radix complement,
Ninth complement.
yeah, 9's complement. For example, you can take octal.
Eighth complement.
Yeah, 8's complement and
Seventh complement.
complement.
yeah. For any radix, you can take. So there are two types of complements. For one is radix complement, another one is diminished radix complement. For example, take the radix is 5. R's complement is nothing but 5's complement.
Fifth
Diminished,
complement.
diminished
Fourth
radix.
complement.
Fourth
complement.
Yeah, very good. Fourth complement. So like this, we can find out the complements. So here, the first one is we are going to discuss diminished radix complement. Why? Because you know that diminished radix complement, easily you can calculate R's complement. So for that purpose, now we are going to discuss the first one is diminished radix complement. What is that? Diminished radix complement. So in the diminished radix complement, so we are going to discuss now diminished radix complement. Diminished radix complement. So given a number n here in base, or for example, given a number n in base or it having n digits, right? It having
Yes.
n digits, the r minus 1's complement is the r minus 1's complement of n is defined as r to the power of n minus 1 minus n. So for example, you can given a number n in base or having n digits, the r minus 1 complement of n is defined as r to the power of n minus 1 minus n. So for that we are going to discuss decimal numbers anukondi. So for decimal numbers, what is the formula here? Decimal numbers 10 power n minus 1 minus n. So n is nothing but here number of digits. Yeah, you get n is nothing but number. Yeah, so this is the formula. Whereas radix is 2 means 2 power n minus 1 minus n. So this is the diminished radix complement formula. Suppose if n value is equal to 4, that is number of digits is equal to 4. If n is equal to 4, so we have apply this formula.
10 power 4 minus
So n is equal to 4 and the number value is 546700. 546700. These are the values. Apply the diminished radix complement means this is a decimal number system, right? So we can take decimal number system. So in that n value is equal to 4 and number value is equal to 546700. So substitute these values in this formula. So then 10 power 4 minus 1 minus 546700. So here 10 power 4 minus 1, what is the value?
9,999.
How many nines will come?
minus 536
minus 53670.
7001.
Sorry. For example, you can take here 6. Then what is the value? Like this we can apply. So remember that one. So here 10 power 6 minus 1. That means how many nines will come? 6 nines, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So here without applying this formula, so here what is the apply the nines complement of 5467900 అనుకోండి. So here how many values are there?
6.
6. So you can take 96 and apply that 546700 and subtract that. You will get answer
453299.
Yeah. So like this you can apply. Okay. Without this formula, how many values are there in that particular number? Take that much of nines and subtract them. Okay. So this is the nines complement. This is the nines complement. So for example, and one more thing, apply the nines complement of 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8. ఇలా అడిగారు. Apply the nines complement of 0, 1, 2, 3, 9, 8. Then what is the result? అక్కడ number of bits ఇవ్వలేదు. So then what is the
6,
result?
ma'am.
6. Why? Because how many number of value in number, how many
6,
digits
ma'am.
are there? Take that much of nines. Okay. So then what is the value?
987601.
987601, ma'am.
Yeah, 987601.
7601.
Yeah, you will subtract this value from nines. Then you can get the value 987601. So formula మీకు గుర్తు లేకపోతే no need to worry about that. So in number, how many digits are there? Take that much of nines, and this number you will be subtract from this number. You will get the nines complement for this number, right?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then for binary numbers, so here up to we will discuss only decimal numbers. Then binary numbers cheyali ante must and should you know that subtraction. So ikkada binary numbers ante only it will be in the form of ones and zeros, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ones and zeros means subtraction teliyali. Then only you can easily write the ones complement values. Okay, I will tell you how you will subtract the values. Okay. First, I will give the subtraction values. Later, we will discuss ones complement representation. Observe this binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. So binary means ikkada 4 combinations e vastayi. 2. So 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 combinations, right? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the A value, this is the B value. And here difference baru. మామూలుగా addition అయితే sum carry వస్తుంది. In subtraction we take difference and borrow, right? So 0 minus 0,
0.
0. And there is no arrow, so here we borrow also we can put 0.
0.
Next 0 minus 1. So in
Minus
that you
one.
can take, so -1 పెట్టకూడదండి. In that we can take borrow 1. In that we can take borrow 1.
Borrow
So
one.
ఇక్కడ 0 - 1. So here there is no 0 - 1 అంటే -1 అని రాసేయకూడదండి. So we can take the borrow 1. So that means here you can place borrow 1.
10
And
minus 10, 0, 0, 1, ma'am.
No, 1 0 is nothing but assumption. 1 0 value is nothing but 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 minus 1, 1. Is it right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here difference is also 1. So 1 0 minus 1 means, so 9 and rasayakudandi. Why? Because it's the binary. Binary means the values are in the binary form only. So 1 0 means it can treat it as 2, and 2 minus 1, 1. And 1 minus 0, difference. Borrow,
No borrow. 0.
no borrow. This value is subtracted from this, right? 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1, and borrow is 0. 1 minus 1,
0.
0. Difference also 0. Borrow also 0. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు ఎక్కడ టిపికల్ గా ఉంటుందంటే ఈ 0 1 దగ్గర మీరు వాల్యూ గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఆ 0 1 కేస్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ 1 అండ్ బారో ఈస్ 1. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
మా సెకండ్ వన్ వన్స్ చెప్పండి మ్యామ్.
A minus B, right? A minus B is nothing but 0 minus 1. So there are no minus values in this subtractions. So here 0 means మామూలుగా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ కాదు అంటే యూ కెన్ టేక్ బారో, రైట్? హియర్ మనం బారో ఇచ్చి 1 అనుకుంటామండి. సో అప్పుడు వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఫర్ దిస్? A means 10. So that's why here I can take borrow value is 1. Okay, so next 10 minus 1 is nothing but we not place 9. So instead of 10 we can, what is the 1 0 value? 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. So difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Now is it clear? So బారో ఎక్కడి నుంచి తెచ్చుకోం, మనం అజంప్షన్ చేసుకుంటాం. బారో మీన్స్ 1 తీసుకుంటున్నాం, అప్పుడు 0 వాల్యూ వచ్చి 1 0 అవుతుంది అండ్ -1. సో 2 minus 1 0 is nothing but in decimal representation 10 is nothing but 2, right? Why? Because this is only 2-bit representation. For 2-bit representation 0 0 is nothing but 0, 0 1 is nothing but 1, 1 0 is nothing but 2, 1 1 is nothing but 3, right?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
here 2 minus 1 is nothing but difference is 1.
One.
Is it clear now? Binary subtraction.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next we will discuss the ones complement now. If n is equal to 4, if n is equal to 4 and n is equal to, that is number is equal to 0 0 0 1. Okay, then what is the value now? So apply the formula. 2 power 4 minus 1 minus 0 0 0 1, right? Ante kada, r to the power of n minus 1 minus 0 0 0 1, that is n value, right?
14,
Formula good.
ma'am.
14.
14 మ్యామ్.
వాల్యూస్ మళ్ళీ మీరు డెసిమల్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయకూడదు. సో 2 power 4 మీన్స్, ఇక్కడ ఒకటి చెప్తాను వినండి. 2 power 4 means we can take, what is the 2 power 4 value?
16.
16 binary equivalent. You can take that binary equivalent value.
Ma'am,
Is it clear what? Yeah, 16 value ఏమ్మా బైనరీ లో?
15 దాకే ఉంది కదా మ్యామ్.
16 మీరు బైనరీ డెసిమల్ టు బైనరీ కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. Decimal to
ones,
binary
ma'am.
is 4 ones. Ma,
Yes, ma'am.
16
15
to
binary.
16 is the binary value. So decimal, right? You can write, convert to its binary means you can divide it by 2. So అట్లా చేశారనుకో
1
మీకు ఏమవుతుంది 1
0 madam.
hello
1110, ma'am.
10000.
how many zeros
4,
3
ma'am.
zeros. 4 ma'am. zeros.
4 zeros 2
1
power 0 2 power 1 2
Triple
power 2
zero.
2 power 3 2 power 4 2 power 4
Triple
is
zero.
nothing but 16. So 1 4 zeros minus 1 minus 1. So now what is the minus 1? That means 10000 minus 1. So subtract this.
4
So
9,
0
ma'am.
4 nines, ma'am.
4 9s ఎట్లా వస్తుందమ్మా ఇప్పుడే కదా టేబుల్ చెప్పాను
Ma'am, 4 ones, ma'am.
4 ones here we can take the value borrow ఇక్కడ లేదు మీకు వాల్యూ సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి బారో తీస్తారు అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది 1 0 మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక బారో ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది వాల్యూ హియర్ 1 2 నౌ హియర్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీరు బారో తీస్తారు హియర్ ఆల్సో 2 హియర్ we can take the value so 2 minus 1 1 1 1 1 so totally how many ones 4 ones
ma'am.
yeah so 4 ones minus 0001 so subtract
1110, ma'am.
yeah 1110 so this is the ones complement is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
so in the process kan nenu oka simple technique cheppichana
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the original number that is 301 so 0001 so this is the binary number convert its ones complement means simply you can change zeros to ones and ones to zeros then you will get ones complement value simply you can change 0 unte 1 and 1 unte 0 so here 0 means 1 1 1 0 antana value match ayinda
Yes, ma'am.
yeah this is the shortcut technique ones complement means whatever the value is there that value will be converted ones to zeros and zeros to ones then we will get simply ones complement value but this is the procedure this is the easy method you can remember that thing okay so ones complement and adigar anukondi exam lo so you can take directly write one sentence that means one complement means we can change zeros to ones and ones to zeros and rasi miri direct ga you can write 0 means 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 match ayindi kadandi ikkada same value so by manual directly we can tell the value but what is the process is going on means this is the process okay
Okay.
so r to the power of n minus 1 minus n value here r to the power of n means 2 to the power of n ante the number of digits so otherwise you can take how many number of values in this digit so you can take that number of bits and subtract is it clear ones complement
Yes, ma'am.
10110101 so this is the value what is the ones complement for that what is the ones complement
0 1 0
0 1
Zero,
0100 1010.
1010.
yeah this is the ones complement number so ones complement means simply we can change ones to zeros and zeros to
zeros to
ones
1.
yeah very good so in next class we will discuss a radix complement that is nothing but now we will discuss nines complement twos complement like that na so in radix complement diminished radix formula is there that is r to the power of n minus 1 right 1 minus n so దీనికి plus 1 add చేస్తే we will get radix complement that is diminished radix complement plus 1 we will get what is the value Radix complement.
Radix.
Yeah. We will discuss in next class this concept we will continue. Okay. Up to now you have any doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, thank you.